Perform the indicated conversions. I want milliamps into microamps. Okay? So what is a milliamp? A milliamp is 10 minus 3. So that's 10 minus 3. And I'd like something in 10 minus 6. Okay? So what does it mean? 10 minus 3. So 3 multiplied by 10 minus 3. Again, what I do, I take my decimal point and I'm going to move it 1, 2, 3. Okay? And I'm going to have 0.003. Now, I want this as 10 minus 6. So, if I want to convert in the other direction, I'm going to have to move the decimal point in the other direction. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's 3,000. So that's 3,000 micro, because that's a sign, and for micro it's like a U with a little leg, microamps. Okay? Another way to do it is to say, again, what's 10 milliamps? Milliamps is 310 minus 3. And you want it in microamp, which is 10 minus 6. Just divide by the microamps. Okay? So minus 6 go on top becomes plus 6. A minus at the bottom becomes plus. So that's the same as 3 times 10 minus 3 multiplied by 10 by the power of 6. So 6 minus 3, you're left with 3. 10 plus 3. Okay? And the powers add up when you multiply. To multiply the same number by different powers, they just add up. So it's 10, okay, it's the 10 minus 3, 10 by the power of 6, they add up. So that becomes your 10 by the power of 3, so that's again your 3,000. Okay? So two different methods, whichever you want. So 55,000 in kilo ohms. So what does it mean, 55,000 kilo ohms? So again, I have 55,000, but not ohms, kilo ohms. So a kilo is 10 by the power of 3. So 1, 2, 3. Yeah? Okay, so that's kilo ohms. On mega is 6. So I need to remove 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So that's 55. Mega, capital, uppercase, M. Mega ohms, excuse me. Using the other methods, 55,000. Kilo is 10 by the power of 3. Divide by what you want, it's a 10 mega, which is 10 by the power of 6. Okay? That works out 55,000, 10 by the power of 3, multiplied by 10 minus 6. So that's 55,000. Again, here the 2 add up, so 3 minus 6 give me 10 minus 3. And 10 minus 3, I remove 3 zeros. So minus 3, minus 3 zeros. So I move my decimal point here. That's 55 mega ohms. Okay? Now, 5 mega amps in amps. But this time I'm going straight to the main unit. So I just have to convert the 5. So 5 mega. What's mega? Mega is 10 by the power of 6. Okay? And what's 10 by the power of 6? So again, if I have a plus 6, I move my decimal point. I add 6 zeros. So that's 5 million amps. Just finish that up. Okay? So that's you need to know which is which. Huh? You need to know, I just can put them here. You need to know that mega is 10 by the power of 6. You need to know that kilo is 10 by the power of 3. Then you have the main unit. And then you're going to have milli, 10 minus 3. And then you're going to have micro, 10 minus 6. And then you're going to have nano, 10 minus 9. And then you'll have pico, 10 minus 12. Okay? So these are very important, and in electrical science we'll be using all of them. So resistance will go up to mega, and we'll see, for example, capacitance will go down to pico.